Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is GO19 Assess Chapter 2 Grader 2G AS Concerts and Sponsors 1.0. This is the second chapter of GO19 and GO22 Assess project. I have done this assignment for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address, my Instagram, Facebook, or wherever you feel comfortable. I am professional. I can help you out in Word, SAS, Excel, PowerPoint, Math, Stat, Business Math, Finance, Accounting, Economics, Writing, Technical Writing, all these courses. To get good grades, you can contact me at any time, anywhere on my contacts number. Here, first of all, we will look at the project description. In this project, you will use a database to answer questions about concerts in local college area. You will create a relationship between two tables, create a query from an existing query, and create a query using text, numeric, compound, and wildcard criteria based using the fields in one or both tables. You will create a calculated field, group data when calculating statistic, creating a cross-type query, and create a parameter query as well. So this is all we are going to do in this project. This project is consist of two files. One is exercise file and one is the instruction file. Student last name will be at the start of this assignment. So let's move to step number 1. In step number 1, it is saying start assess, open the file which I have already opened it. Next we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, it is saying using sponsor ID as the common field, create a one-to-many relationship between sponsor table and the concert tables. Enforce rational integrity and enable both cascade option. Create a relationship report with normal margins and save it as A3 relationships. Close all the open objects. So we have to do this. It is saying using sponsor ID as common field, create one-to-many relationship between sponsor table and concert table. So we have to create a relationship. For this, we will go to database tool. We have moved to database tool. Here you can see in relationship there is relationship. Now what it is saying between sponsor table and concert table. So here there is an option of add table. So I will just click on both concert and sponsorship table. So both tables are added. Common field sponsor ID. So here you can see sponsor ID is here and in next table it's here. So we will select the primary key sponsor ID field in sponsor table and drag it till sponsor ID by using left click. And it is saying edit relationship. It is saying enforce rational integrity. So here I will enforce rational integrity and enable both cascade options. So I will enable both the cascade options. Create relationship with normal report. Next I will select create, and now it is saying create a relationship report with normal margins and save it as A3 relationships. So here I will click here relationship report, and now it is saying report with normal margin. So here this is the margin. I will select normal margins, and next it is saying save it as A3 relationship. So here I will just right click on it and click save, and next it is saying it should be saved as. First I will remove this A3 relationships and press OK. So this report has been created. Next it is saying save this and close all object. So here I will right click on it and click select save. I will close this and also close this as well. So we have completed step number 2. Next we will move to step number 3. But before starting step number 3, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. It is saying in step number 3, in the last record of the sponsor table, change the sponsor ID from sponsor 108 to sponsor 100 and then close the table. The related records in the consult table will automatically update it. So here, what table? Sponsor table. So here I will open the sponsor table, and next it is saying change the sponsor ID from 108 to 100. So here this is 108, so I will just click on it and press backspace, and I will change it to 100 and press enter. Next I will click anywhere, and then I will right click on it, save and close. Next time as you open, this is automatically updated. So I will close this. So I have completed step number 3 for you. Next we will move to step number 4. But before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. Next it is saying copy the consult 100 or 1000 or more query to create a new query with the name January to April concerts query. Redesign the query to answer the question what is the date, concert name, concert location and box office receipt for the concert between 1/1/22 and 4/30/22, sorted in ascending order only by the date field. Run the query, 5 record display, close the query, saving the changes to the query. So here I will just copy this query and I will select paste, and next it is saying query with January to April query. So here I am just going to copy it and paste this name here, or you can just manually type it, and I will press OK. Now I am going to open this query in design view. Here I will right click on it and select design view. Next, here we should understand the question. It is saying redesign the query, what is the concert date. So here I will select concert date, and next it is saying concert name. So next field should be concert name. Here I will drag it, concert name, and next it is saying concert location. Here I will just delete these. So here I will just select it and delete column singly. Next it is saying concert location. So here I will select concert location, and next it is saying box office receipt. So here I will select box office receipt between. So here I will select this, copy this, or you can just manually type it, and in the criteria in below date you can paste it. So it is done now. Sort in ascending order by date field. So this is date field. In the sort we will select ascending, and next it is saying run the query. Here I will select run. As you can see, 5 records has been displayed as it is set. Next it is saying close the query and save the changes. So here I will save and close this. So we have completed step number 5. Next 4. Next it is saying step number 5. In step number 5 it is saying create a query in design view based on concert table to answer the questions what is the date, concert name, concert location and box office receipt for concert location of Georgetown Community Theatre or Austin City Center, and for the box office receipt that have an amount greater than 1000, sorted in ascending order by date field. Run the query, 4 records display, save the query as GCT or ACC over the 1000 query. and then close the query. So we will do this. I have completed this assignment for one of my students, so if you want me to solve this complete assignment for you, then you can contact me. I will solve this for you at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye. Thanks.